Welcome to Deep Bio Limited's professional training in Bioinformatics and Computational Biology program. Biology and data are converging to redefine the future of science. Join us to be part of this exciting transformation. Let's take a closer look at what our program offers. This 12-month professional certification is designed for undergraduates and young professionals across biology, medicine, computer science, statistics, and public health. Enjoy weekend-only, 100% online classes. The program offers 42 professional credit units and has a limited capacity of 40 seats. Quarter 1 builds a strong foundation with courses like Introduction to Bioinformatics, Programming for Life Sciences, and Mathematics for Bioinformatics, culminating in your first project. In Quarter 2, you'll dive into biological data with genomics, metagenomics, and structural bioinformatics, along with Project 2 to develop real-world skills. Quarter 3 introduces you to the world of artificial intelligence with machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI for life sciences, all applied in Project 3. Finally, Quarter 4 features a 6-credit capstone project and courses on scientific communication and career readiness to prepare you for future opportunities. Beyond the curriculum, our program offers unique benefits. Make sure to mark these important dates on your calendar. Applications for the program open on September 11th, 2025. The application deadline is October 10th, 2025, so don't miss out. Classes for the program will officially begin on November 7th, 2025. Here's a breakdown of the tuition and available discounts. The total tuition for the program is 80,000 Bangladeshi takas. Secure an early acceptance discount of 20,000 Bangladeshi takas. You can pay quarterly or once for the entire year. Seats are limited to only 40 students. Applications open September 11th, 2025. Apply now at academy.deepbioltd.com and contact us for more information.